Okay, I'm back again. Now this is the KATOOL KT-2002, and I'm going to go over a couple of things that happened during the purchase. I purchased it on eBay. You have to understand that they're going to see pictures of things that yours might not come with, even though it might show you in the description. One is, I took a piece of pipe, welded it there, and that gives me a place to display and store the items, like the pry bar, the nut, and yours might or might not come with that nut, which the one I purchased on eBay, it showed it in the pictures, many of the pictures of an item that I will show you. And that is the speed nut. I call it a speed nut. Some people call it a wing nut. Let me get this for you. Sorry, I should have been ready. And that is this. It showed, like I stated, it showed it in the description, and it did not come with it. Well, they made it right. So that is something that you want to make sure that yours is going to come with. I went with this seller because it showed that it had that, and it was $418. What you're going to want to do is when you put this together, I want to point out a couple of things. This right here, make sure that this is on this side, not on this side. So this can easily flip if yours is the same design as this. Number two, when you're building this, very important, this airline. I mean, you can take this and you can flip it in both directions. So it could either be here, this little fitting, or it could be over on this side. If you have it on this side, you're going to break it. See how close it is right here? When you're operating it, your very first time operating it, you're probably going to break it if it's over on this side. So make sure you install it on that side. For now, that is all I have. If you have any questions or you'd like to know the dimensions of this mechanism, let me know. I'm going to go over that if I get enough comments that state that you want to know what the dimensions are and where I purchased all my pieces and parts. And also how I made the hole. I went with aluminum because it is easier to machine, drill, and tap for all of the holes. As you can see, you have to mount something underneath here that actually rides underneath this and this to keep it from going all over the place and staying stationary. Also the bearings that ride on this shaft. All right, thanks for checking it out, and hopefully if I get enough attention, I will definitely make a video of how to. Have a great day. Thanks for checking it out. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification for all.